And now we'll be going into variables. So in Python, the main advantage is you need not mention int a or int b or int c, or for some character like char ch, or for string like str. So you really need not mention it. So what I would be doing is, let's see. So there is this guy named Sai Reddy. So what I would be doing is I would be taking a word and I would be saying as Sai Reddy. And what, just a minute. So I have put a single quotation. So you could either do it with double quotations or you could either go with single ones. So anything works fine. So I have given this word equal to Sai Reddy. So what I would be doing is I would be compiling it. And next I would be saying type of word. I want to see what the actual data type of word is. So what it is saying is it is a string. So that is the advantage of Python. You need not mention what data type or what that is. The Python has the ability to automatically recognize what type of data type it is. So let's go with another one. So let's go with man equal to 10. So we will try to compile it and we will see it should be returning an integer data type. So let's see what data type it returns. So it is returning int. So if I put .00, which is a float variable, so it should be returning float. Just a minute, I should be executing this again, compiling this again, sorry. So yeah, this is returning float. So that is the way you do, guys. Like, you need not mention any data type or what data type it is. And even I would like to say why we are putting like quotations here and why I didn't keep quotations for any integer value. Like, it is a basic common sense. Like, have you ever seen people putting quotations for words like this? Or have you ever seen people putting quotations for like some, so we haven't come across anything like that. So what happens is you should be putting quotations for character variables, sorry, for characters. Like, if I take a word, let's take another random person, let's take Himaja, let's take Himaja. Let's give a double quotation now. Let's compile it and let's see what type it is, type of word, and it should be returning the same string again. So that is how you declare a variable. So we could be declaring as like age equal to 10, and we could be declaring another thing as age2 equal to 20. So these are the basic common things. Like, if you want to do an addition, you will just print age plus age2. So it is as simple as that. So it should be returning 30. And let's take print age2 minus age, and it should be printing 10. So if you notice, I have been using a hash here after every, like, see, I have been using hash here. So what hash does is, like, it will not be executed in the program. It will be taking it as something the user is wanting the system to ignore. Like, if I put subtraction, sorry. So it will not be printing any subtraction. But if I go like subtraction, it would be giving me an error. It would be giving me an error like this. Subtraction is not defined. So that is how it goes. Let's for now put this into this thing. And if you want to multiply, it would be going as print age2 into age. It is giving you 200. And for division, you would be doing print age2 divided by age. So that is the basic variable declaration you can give. And once we are done with variable declaration, we will be going it just a minute. Oh yeah, before variable declaration, if you want to do square of a number, so let's take num1 equal to 2, num2 equal to 4. So I want to print what the square of 4 will be. So I want to print 4 square. So how we'll be doing it? So I'll be doing like num2 times num1. So you should be noticing the double star mark which I have kept here. So if you put a 1 star mark, so it will be multiplying. But if you want to do the power of the number, so you should be giving this as 2 stars. You should be giving 2 stars. So if I want to print the cube, so instead we'll just close this one. We'll be giving it cube, and we will take num2 equal to 3. And we should be knowing what 3 power 3 is. So in place of num1, I'll be writing 3. So it should be giving me 3 power 3, which is 27. So this is the basic variable declaration, guys. And again, I have one more thing to say. Since we have seen this thing where age2 plus age is giving us 30 for numerical data types, like this is a numerical value, this is a numerical value. I wanted to see like what happens when we give a string. So word1 equal to, let's take another student name. So let's take some name, let's take Sailesh Kumar. So I am giving it as Sailesh, the word1, and word2 I am giving it as Kumar. Now I want to see what happens when I print word1 plus word2. It is giving me Sailesh Kumar. So that's it, guys. When you try to add two strings, so what it tries to do is it actually concatenates the two words. So I want to give a space here, so let's put a space before K and try to compile it once again. Let's see if there's a space coming here. So there's a space coming between here, since I have given a space here, and if I take away the space, so it will be printing the word continuously.